So today on So's Food Corner menu is classic street style veg chowmein or veg noodles. It's actually something similar to Desi Chinese because we have just modified the taste and flavor according to our need, and believe me, the taste is just awesome. So classic street style Desi noodles with all tips and tricks to make the perfect chowmein. Hey guys, I'm Subankari and I welcome you all to my channel So's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives, and if you're new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. And thank you so much for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. Let's begin with this awesome recipe. Here I have taken water around 1 liter and I just need to boil this water, and I have added oil around half teaspoon. You can also add 1 tablespoon of salt at this stage, but I have not added, this optional. And then I have used, when the water starts to boil, I have used the Chow, the regular Chow noodles, that is around 200 grams. For each packet 1 liter of water is perfect. So I just need to cook this Chow so that it attains a stage known as al dente. That means it should not be cooked 100%. 80% done is perfectly okay, so that the rest cooking process can be completed once we toss it with veggies. So it will take around, for 200 grams noodles, it will take around roughly just 3 to 4 minutes. Just once it comes to boil, then drain it out. And now I have strained the noodles, and you can just show it under running water, or you can just add water on top of it in this way. Basic purpose is the noodles should not be overdone, and once done you can just spread it under fan or under normal temperature in a plate so that the excess moisture dries out. And then in a wok, I have heated in high flame, added 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and once the oil is heated, goes 1 to 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of chopped ginger. This gives a very nice flavor, and all the process from now onwards will do on high flame, and believe me, wok is just perfect for this recipe. Some 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion whites I have also added. Again, it's optional. Give it a mix for 3 to 4 seconds, and then I have added 1 small onion sliced. I just need to roast all these veggies on high flame for just 1 minute. We don't want soggy vegetables because in Chinese cuisine what matters is the crunchiness of vegetables. So just mix for 1 minute max on high flame, and then I'll add the veggies. So here I have used cabbage shredded around half a cup, and then some carrots goes in, 1/4 cup of Julienne's carrot, beautiful carrots. Now just give it a mix and just toss it for 1 minute so that the carrots and cabbage combine together nicely. And then I'll add capsicum, 1/4 cup Julienne's green capsicum I have used here. This goes in, give it a nice mix, just mix everything for 1 to 2 minutes max on high flame. Some salt goes in. At this little amount I will use because we will be using some large amount of soya sauce. Give it a mix in this way, or you can toss it, and then after 1 to 2 minutes on high flame, these veggies are looking perfect. And now I will add red chilli sauce 1 tablespoon, tomato sauce 1 tablespoon goes in, and some soya sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, because this gives that bright color in the Desi Chowmein style. White vinegar 1 teaspoon, and my secret ingredient, So's Food Corner special touch, is 1 teaspoon of Schezwan Chutney. This makes a difference. Try it, you will love the recipe. Give it a mix, and after mixing just for 30 to 40 seconds, we'll add our prepared noodles. You can see how fluffy, how non-sticky my noodles are. Perfect noodles for chowmein. So this goes in on high heat, and now I'll just mix everything so that all the veggies with sauces goes nicely, mixes well with this noodles. You can use a fork in this way, or you can normally toss it as per your wish. So this style also works. And then I'll taste some salt and add, because we have already added soya sauce, and some freshly crushed black pepper powder goes in, half teaspoon. This adds to the special zing. And now I'll give it a mix, all the ingredients, I'll toss it, and this will complete my recipe. Quick, easy, very flavorful, classic Desi Indianized version of this noodles. Give it a mix. As I said, you can always use fork in this way. This makes the process easier, but again depends upon your choice. You can also toss it, and you can see in my noodles how beautiful color the noodles have attained. Perfect street style look. And turn off the flame, and now some chopped spring onion greens I have added, and our noodles are ready to be savored. very easy to make. Just we need to prepare some veggies so that this process can be done very easily. And now I have served this noodles. You can see each stand of my noodles is perfectly coated with sauce. Each strand has retained its texture, consistency, and the color of the veggies are just perfect. So this is a perfect way of cooking street style vegetable noodles or veg noodles. Try this recipe, and the Schezwan chutney at last gives a very different zing. Again, it's optional, as I said, you can avoid it, but I just love the flavor of Schezwan chutney in this noodles. So street style special Indian veg chowmein is ready. To try this recipe and let me know your thoughts. And now it's time for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Hedgiji. She writes, "Hello dear, what a pleasure to watch, and I'm sure it's also going to be pleasurable to recreate your recipe and dine. All thumbs up for you. Stay healthy, stay blessed." Thank you so much for your lovely comment. It's very pleasurable to watch such beautiful comments from beautiful souls like you. Thank you again. And this recipe, classic street style veg chowmein noodles, is preferred by everyone, especially the Desi Chinese style perks that we get in this recipe. So do try out this recipe and let me know your thoughts. And if you have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.